Hey, what's up everybody? I know you came here to see the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air. Well, the good news is that this video will mark the start of more content coming in on this channel, where we will be covering equipment reviews, behind the scenes, unboxing videos, tutorials, short films, and whatever you name. So, a bit more about myself. This is Lukas here. I'm from Singapore, and I'm currently a student. Photography and videography has been my passion. This channel will be run by Widro and I. He'll be introducing himself in the next video. Before we jump right into the unboxing video, just a disclaimer that this was shot a few years ago, so the quality isn't that great. We are constantly learning from each project we take up, and if you want to see the latest projects, do keep subscribed to this channel. We would really appreciate if you could drop a like if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified of new videos posted. It would really mean a lot to us and allow us to continue providing content. Thank you for watching to the end, and if you have any suggestions on what you want to see on this new channel,